Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 1E. The first question is represent the following rational numbers on the number line. Roman number 1, that rational number is 5 and 1 by 3. I have mentioned few steps to follow so that you can locate this rational number on the number line. Step 1, decide about 5 and 1 by 3. This rational number will lie at a right side from 0. Here is 0 and all the positive rational number will lie at right side from the 0. Second step, now we have to decide between which two numbers this 5 and 1 by 3 will lie. So in the second step, I have decided 5 and 1 by 3 will lie between 5 and 6 here. Now step 3, since here denominator is 3, so divide the line segment between 5 and 6, this line segment between 5 and 6 in 3 equal interval of distances as per the denominator. Here the denominator was 3, so I divided this into 3 equal interval of distances. And step 4, mark 5 and 1 by 3 above the first interval of distance 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3, 5 and 1 by 3. 5 and 1 by 3 will be here. This is 5 and 2 by 3. So in this way we can mark the given rational number on the number line following these 4 steps. Question number 3, find 3 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So the first rational number will be 1 plus 2 by 2, 3 by 2, or we can say 1 and 1 by 2. Second rational number will be 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So this became LCM became 2, 3 plus 4 by 2 by 2, so 7 by 4. Mixed fraction 1 and 3 by 4. The third rational number will be equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. LCM became 2 and this is 3 plus 2 by 2. So 5 by 4, 1 and 1 by 4. These 3 rational numbers became 1 and 1 by 2, 1 and 1 by 4, 1 and 3 by 4. You can write these fractions also, such as 3 by 2, 7 by 4 and 5 by 4. And your answer may vary from the book. It is not mandatory that your answer should match in this type of question. Your answer may vary from the book. Insert 5 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. First of all, I took LCM of 2 and 3, it became 6. Then I wrote the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, in which denominator should be 6. So this 1 by 2 I multiplied numerator and denominator by 3, I got 3 by 6. And 1 by 3 I multiplied numerator and denominator by 2, I got 2 by 6. Still we are not getting 5 rational numbers between 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. So we have to enlarge the denominator. For that I multiplied numerator and denominator by 10. So 3 by 6 became 30 by 60 and 2 by 6 became 20 by 60. Now between these two, 30 by 60 and 20 by 60, I wrote these 5 rational numbers. You can write these rational numbers in their simplest form. Question number 9. Find 4 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Solution. Equivalent fraction of -1 equal to -5 by 5 and equivalent fraction of 0 is equal to 0 by 5. 4 rational number equal to -4 by 5, -3 by 5, -2 by 5 and -1 by 5. Exercise 1F, question number 1. What should be subtracted from the sum of 2 and 1 by 2, 5 by 12 and minus 11 by 16 to get 1? So first of all, I got the sum of these three rational numbers. LCM became 48 and the numerators 102, means I divided this 48 by 8, I got 6 into 17, 102 plus. I divided 48 by 12, I got 4 into 5, 20, minus. I divided 48 by 16, I got 3 into 11, 33. So this became equal to 122 minus 33 by 48. That is equal to 89 by 48. So what should be subtracted from the sum of this to get 1? So we will subtract 1 from here. What is left, that will be the answer. So 41 by 48 should be subtracted to get 1. Question number 4. The question is, subtract the sum of 7 and 1 by 3 and 2 and 3 by 5 from the multiplicative inverse of 8 and 1 by 2. So at first I got the sum of 7 and 1 by 3 and 2 and 3 by 5. That is 22 by 3 plus 3 by 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 became 15. So the sum of these two, 15 is LCM, 3 5s are 15, 5 into 22 equal to 110 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 into 13 equal to 39. Addition of these two became 149 and by 15. Multiplicative inverse of 8 and 1 by 2, that is 17 by 2, will be equal to 2 by 17. So I subtracted this sum from 2 by 17. LCM became 255. I divided this by 17, I got 15. 15 into 2 equal to 30, minus. Again I divided 255 by 15, I got 17. 17 into 149 equal to 2533 equal to minus 2503 by 255 equal to minus 208 by 255. Question number 8. Each cake weighs 1 and 3 by 4 kg. If 19 such cakes are to be equally shared between 15 children, find out each child's share. Weight of 19 cakes equal to 1 and 3 by 4 kg into 19 equal to 7 by 4 into 19. That is equal to 133 by 4 kg. This became the total weight of 19 cakes. This is to be shared among 15 children. So share of each child equal to 133 by 4 is divided by 15 equal to 133 by 4 into 1 by 15 equal to 133 by 60 equal to 2 and 13 by 60 kg. In question number 13, a tailor has to make uniforms for 43 girls students of a class. He has 150 meter of cloth with him. If each uniform needs 4 and 3 by 4 meter cloth, how many uniforms can he stitch with the available cloth? How much more cloth will the tailor need to buy to be able to make uniform for all the students? So this much cloth is available, 150 meter, and one uniform needed 4 and 3 by 4 meter. So number of uniforms equal to total available cloth will be divided by the cloth that requires for one uniform. So this division became 150 meter is divided by 19 by 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 by 4. So if you change this in the symbol of multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of 19 by 4, that will be 4 by 19. So 150 into 4 by 19 became 150 into 4, 600 by 19, that is equal to 31 and 11 by 19. So this fractional part should be avoided. So completely he can prepare the uniform 31 uniforms. Now total cloth requires 43 students into cloth needed for one uniform is 4 and 3 by 4. So these two are multiplied and we got 204 and 1 by 4 meter. So more cloth needed equal to 204 and 1 by 4 minus 150 meter equal to 54 and 1 by 4 meter. In the answer it is given 54.25 meter. Both answers are same. Question number 16. This question states that the product of two rational numbers is 8 by 15. If one of the numbers is minus 20 by 55, find the other. So product is 8 by 15. One rational number is given, minus 20 by 55. So other rational number. To get the other rational number, we will divide the product by the given rational number. So if you change the symbol in the symbol of multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of this. 55 will go up, 20 will come down, minus will come with 55. So it is cancelled. Simplified form became minus 22 by 15. We change that in the mixed fraction, that is equal to minus 1 and 7 by 15. Question number 19. The question is, a construction required 25 lakh. Question is, a mother, her two daughters and a son got a house constructed for 25 lakh. One constructed house was there. So mother, two daughters and son bought that constructed house for 25 lakh. In this amount, the elder daughter contributed 1 by 4th of her mother's contribution. The younger daughter contributed 1 by 5th of her mother's contribution, and the son contributed 1 by 2 of his mother's contribution. How much did the four contribute individually? So for that, at the top I wrote, let mother's contribution be x, then elder daughter's contribution x by 4, younger daughter's contribution x by 5, and son's contribution x by 2. As given in the question, if you add these four, this and this, I mean x plus x by 4 plus x by 5 plus x by 2 equal to 25 lakh. LCM became 20. So this became 20x plus 5x plus 4x plus 10x equal to 25 lakh. This addition became 39x by 20 equal to 25 lakh. Now x equal to 25 lakh into 20 by 39. So this much by 39, I change the decimal. So this became 1 crore 28 lakh 12 lakh 82,051.281. So mother's contribution, I rounded off. This is less than 50, 2 digit is less than 50, so I rounded off this and this became 1282051. So elder daughter's contribution became this by 4, I got 320513. Younger daughter's contribution this by 5, I got 256410. And son's contribution this by 2, I got 641026. In all these amount, the decimal part is rounded off. Otherwise, the answers will come in decimal. Since the answers are not in decimal, so I rounded off that decimal part and I got this amount contributed by different persons to buy that house.